Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the laptop so you can inspect it safely. Plug in the charger if battery is low and close unnecessary apps. Open the System Information tool now. On Windows, type msinfo32 or go to Settings, right arrow System. On Mac OS, click About this Mac. On Linux, open a terminal and run lscpu or lsblk. Once done, note model, CPU, RAM, and storage names. These are the identifiers you'll track through the rest of the process. You now dive into specifics so you understand real capability. In System Information or Terminal, read the CPU model, core count, and base clock. That explains performance ceilings. Then check RAM, total GB, number of DIMM slots populated, and frequency. This affects multitasking. Finally, inspect storage. Determine if it's NVMe or SATA. See capacity and used percentage. Make sure you distinguish physical drives from logical partitions, so upgrades and backups are planned correctly. You finish by verifying drivers and real-world behavior so your configuration is accurate. Check GPU and chipset driver versions and confirm storage controller firmware. These affect stability. Run Task Manager, Activity Monitor, or a quick benchmark to see actual performance versus specs. If details are missing, update drivers and BIOS, then recheck. If the system still hides hardware info, boot a live USB or use an external tool to bypass OS issues. One tip: if a device disappears.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.